Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the software development world: TeamCity versus Jenkins. Which C tool should you choose in 2025? If you're a developer or team lead looking to streamline your workflows, this comparison will help you decide. Let's dive right in. First off, what's C? Continuous integration is all about automating the process of building, testing, and integrating code changes. It helps catch bugs early and keeps your projects running smoothly. Now, between TeamCity and Jenkins, both are popular choices, but they cater to different needs. Starting with Jenkins. It's an open-source powerhouse that's been around for years. What makes it stand out? Its massive plug-in ecosystem lets you customize it for almost any task. In 2025, Jenkins has evolved with better cloud integrations and AI-assisted automation, making it ideal for large-scale projects. However, it's not without drawbacks. Setting it up can be tricky for beginners, and maintaining it requires some technical expertise. Plus, if your team is small, the learning curve might slow you down. On the flip side, we have TeamCity from JetBrains. This tool is all about user-friendliness and efficiency. It's got a sleek interface that's perfect for teams working with .NET or other JetBrains ecosystems. In 2025, TeamCity boasts advanced features like seamless C/CD pipelines and robust security options, which are great for enterprise environments. The pros include quick setup and excellent build monitoring, but it's a paid service, which could be a con for startups on a tight budget. Also, its customization might not be as extensive as Jenkins. So, how do you choose? If you're in a dynamic environment that needs heavy customization and you're okay with some initial effort, go with Jenkins. It's cost-effective and community-driven. But if you prioritize ease of use, strong support, and are willing to pay for premium features, TeamCity is your winner. Remember, the best tool depends on your team's size, project complexity, and future growth plans. In 2025, both tools are evolving with AI and cloud tech, so keep an eye on updates. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, TeamCity or Jenkins. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.